Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I want to talk about the my IoT project, the Smart Livestock Tracking System. This system is built using an SPE32 and microcontroller and RFID sensor to help farmers monitor their animals easily. Before we see how it works, and let's dive into the code and see how I will. So next in my project, for this project, I actually generate the code using ChatGPT, and since our excitement about the use of AI, and I use it to help me build the logic for the SPA32 and the web dashboard. And it was a great experience and learning how to prompt the I to get the exact result and I need. Now let's look at the code it generated. And so guys, in this is my code and this is my project. And next get start the code. And first, the code include SPA, include MLC, Wi-Fi, HTTP, and SIGN, and SOC. We include the necessary libraries SPA, HN, MFRC 522 and R for the FID sensor and while Wi-Fi and had triple and all of the ESP32 to connect to the internet. The SOC libraries are used to manage the board's power. And next, we define the pins. Pin 5 is for the SS for SDA pin, and pin 2 is for the reset pin to a pin of the RFID reader. Then we create an RFID object using these pins. And then here we set the Wi-Fi credential and the server URL. And I used my friends with the name Jaringan Kreatif, and the URL points to the local IP address of my laptop and where the web dashboard is running. And then in the set2 function, we first disable the brownout detector, so the ESP32 and doesn't restart itself when it needs a lot of power to Wi-Fi. And then we start the serial communication and speed of so guys, and then we start the serial communication at the speed of 115,200, and then wait guys. Okay guys, so next the code. So after that, the ESP32 connect to the Wi-Fi network, and once connected, it intelligences the SPA communication and turns off the RFID reader, so it's ready to scan. So next the code in void loop. Inside the loop function, the device consistently checks if a new RFID card is present and if it can be read. If there's no card, it simply waits and tries again. And next, string UID. If a card is detected, it reads the card and unique ID or UID. This loop convert the machine code into a readable and hexadecimal string and makes all the letters uppercase. So next, uh, the code is the Wi-Fi is connected. It prepare and had the post request and it package the UID into an JSON format and send it to the server URL on my laptop. So in finally, it closes the HTTP connection, stops reading the current card, and waits for 2 seconds before scanning again to prevent duplicate data. Okay, guys. So, alright, that's all for the code explanation. And now let's move on to the most exciting part, the demonstration. And I'm going to open the web dashboard and show you exactly what happens when we tap the RFID card to the scanner. And let's check it out.
Okay, hello everyone. Today I will show you my smart livestock and tracking system using an SPA32 and RFID sensor. Okay, first let's look at the code for this assignment. We were encouraged to use AI, so I used ChatGPT to help write this C++ code. And to display the data, I made a simple web dashboard and I'm using dummy data for this demo so we can easily see how it works. So this is the website dashboard display along with the Python code and we'll hear in this display when there is no card is display and a no card. So this is on my friend's laptop and this code is the dashboard website code and the Arduino code, and so I use my friend's laptop because it could be run on my laptop, so I use my friend's. And so guys, this is RFID and to connect the Arduino and the tap in the card and to finish the tab card and the dashboard update automatically in real time. The system instantly read the unique ID and match it with our database. So will this is a simulation with animals dolls in the ears. You can see it right. And then here he is doing a trial test on the year-old dolls, and after typing the card, he saw the result on the laptop screen and on his website along with the Python code running. And these are the cables that connect to the RFID. So, and this is the card that is to tape with our livestock. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.